Hi, good day. My name is Charles Phillips Florentino. I'm 32 years of age and I live in New Visayas, Matanao, Davao del Sur. I'm single but I have one child. Her name is Aisha Faith Florentino. And my previous work at San Miguel Food INC, Monterrey Meats, as a butcher meat cutter deboner. I was hired on August 17, 2014 up to February 4, 2018, and after that I resigned that company, and I decided to work at home, uh, like farming livestock, pigs and chicken, and I I have to provide a feeding and chicken and cleaning. And I start at February 5, 2018 up to September 14, 2019. And after that, I apply at Gasano Mall here in Indigo City. Um, I'm a butcher meat cutter deboner. I was hired on September 15, 2019 up to present. And I'm a butcher meat cutter deboner also. And my duties responsibility is wearing PPE, personal protective equipment like boots, hairnets, gloves, and apron. And my duty responsibility is first is clean the preparation area and make sure that all utensils like knives and bonsu machine or grinder machine is make sure that all machine is cleaning to avoid any contaminated at the pork cuttings. And also before I cut and to prepare myself and get the pork into the storage room and to primal and to get the pork shoulder and the middle part and the ham leg. And after that I debone, um, and cutting all parts. And after that I go to a meat cab area to display the all cuttings of meats to retail and to serve the customers. And also after the all cuttings, I make sure that the preparation area is clean. um, I I I prepared all my knives to all clean. And after that my my skills is to time management and also teamwork and my duties responsibilities. I will do my duties responsibilities also. And that that's it. Thank you.